Harvey.
Harvey, what's this?
Pizza.
Wow.
What's this?
Pizza.
Big pizza?
Big pizza.
Wow. Wow. Which one do you want? This one or this one?
This one is this.
This has shrimp. Bye.
May shrimp pa?
Big dream.
Big shrimp. You want big shrimp? Where's the big shrimp? Kanina pa nga siya, ano dun sa chicken ng mga kapitbahay. Harvey! Wow!
Very big shrimp. Ako, daming shrimp.
Ayun, Harvey, yan sa'yo.
This
Ayun
is yours,
sa'yo.
Harvey.
Wow!
But let's
Lunok na
hop
na
on.
lunok. Oh.
Hati
this
kayo ni
is-
tita.
You want ketchup? Get it, get it.
Wow, ketchup.
Wow.
I told you not on the shirt. You forgot.
Ayun na, ketchup.
Oh, yung tissue, handa mo na.
Get it.
Ah, get.
Mahilig ka pala sa ketchup. Oh, ketchup. Ito, cheese to. Ayan.
Ah. Ay, not on the shirt. Where's your tissue?
Ito, tissue mo.
Nakakasampung tissue na siya. Pangatlo na niya yan.
Oh, put here, tapos yun naman.
Put your tissue here.
Look at this one.
Here. Okay, here. Ah, bite. What will you say?
Thank you, Chicho.
Very good.
Napadai. Ito.
I smell.
Oh, magpupunas na naman. Mochi. Ay, tayo mama. Wipe here, wipe here. Very good. Ikaw ang nag-ano? Kaya mo siya.
A dream. A dream.
Another shrimp.
Talagang malakas kasi shrimp.
Oh. What will you say? What will you say?
What will you say daw? Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano? Ito na. Do you want the other flavor? Kakainin niya kaya to?
Oh, get it.
Ito, do you want this?
Like this.
Ayaw.
Okay mo, get it.
Get it. Oh, ito. Ano
Get the pizza. Pizza.
Kapit lang sa'yo.
Cheese, big cheese.
Do you want ano, ketchup? Asan yung ketchup? Ketchup? Yummy. Ayaw niya ng pepperoni.
Ganda.
Harvey, oh, pizza. Ay, pizza. Ketchup. Harvey, oh. Di ba dati order pa tayo ni Hobby nung yung may crust na ano din, cheese? Pizza Hut ata yun.
Gusto ng trabaho, di ba?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza. Big pizza.
May pizza.
There.
Ah,
Pizza. Pizza.
Drink water.
Pizza. Oh,
Drink
what?
water.
Mean.
ay, hindi po yan.
No.
Go.
Water first. I will give you this if you drink water first.
Oh.
Drink water first.
Inano pa yung damit.
What are you doing, Harvey? Is that good? Ganun dapat.
Ha?
Is that good? Ganun.
With that good.
Okay, here. Oh, sige, finish it. Finish the water first.
Bing.
Finish your water first.
Bawal pa kanya yun.
Sige.
Okay, na.
Good job.
Kasi kung si Chubby, kahit bawal eh.
Oh, ketchup.
Nakanipis ng ano yun ba?
No, pizza.
Ba, galing ah. Sabi oh.
Ba, nilagyan ko.
Sabi oh. Wait lang ha. Hindi ko na alam kung pepper ba yung nailagay ko. Kahit siya.
Oh, wipe. Wipe your hands.
Pag dark, ano yun? Ketchup.
Ay, ay, tiso niya.
Pang rainy day promo daw eh.
It's a syrup.
Sabi oh. Big cheese. Big cheese. Gusto na natin to.
What?
Lakad tayo.
Sabi ito sa. Lagyan natin ng ketchup. Eh.
Yay! We got this spice piece.
Order number 794.
Diba?
Proceed to claim your thank you. Order number 794.
Another beef.
Proceed to claim your thank you.
Ano, ubusin nyo na yung shrimp?
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Naantok na ata. O, tamo, nagpupunas
Ano
na.
pa kita yung shrimp? Ay, dali mo. Pasok ko pala.
No, hindi.
Ayun.
Kasi nalalagyan ng oil din yung ano.
Get it.
Yung pizza.
Sige, get it.
Dapat may paper bag.
Good job.
Lock. No?
Ay, ako.
Para dito sa ano.
Sabi oh. Dali, ubusin na natin to.
Ay, hindi. Doon na lang natin lagay. Ito.
Alin?
Hindi naman paper bag. Matatapon lang dito.
With cheese. Ha?
Huwag na tayo mag ano, Krispy Kreme.
May tinapay na.
Ketchup.
Big ketchup.
Big ketchup.
Big ketchup.
Kinakain mo ba? O ketchup lang yung ano? Ba, kinakain nga talaga. Oh, pilit na. Last piece. Okay, we're done. Okay, we're done. Oh, very good. More? More?
Wala palitan. Kumain din ako ng water.
Ay, tama na. Na ano na. Isang ikot magtitingin ko ano. Hindi umaga, sabi ng umaga daw. Pero alam ko every hour, pag may chinek silang merong ano. Kasi nung nagpunta ako nung parang alas 3 ata, meron na pa ako naabutan.
Wait. Here.
Pero kasi ano na tayo eh. Hindi na, meron ng ano, cookies na nabili sa kuya eh. Yun ang tinitingnan natin eh.
Oh, oh.
Parang may laman.
Huwag na. Ako lang yan. May record daw.
Are you solved ka ba, Harvey? Are you solved to the
May
pizza?
abusin mo na rin.
Are you solved sa pizza? Sabihin mo, thank you, Tito Harold.
Thank you, Tito.
Thank you for the pizza.
Thank you for the pizza.
You're welcome.
We're welcome.
O, go na. Go na kayo din.
Ano? Ah,
Tingnan nyo
Ay,
na kung
tubig.
gusto
hindi na,
susulitin.
ayos na kasi. Kasi nakabili na ng
Ayaw mo na
cookies.
nito?
Ay, hindi pa ako nakakain.
We.
Busin mo na yan.
Ako na.
Ayoko na din.
Ere.
Ay, ayoko na niyan. Sim.
O, sa'yo na yan eh. Water pa, Harvey, oh.
Binubugan na eh.
Oh, water pa.
Binubugan na eh.
Ay, patingin niya kung magwa-water. Very good yata yan eh, oh.
Water.
Oh, water.
Very good, oh.
Very good.
Sinisinok.
Ayos.
Ala,
Ayos na.
sinisinok. Ay, lalo kang dapat uminom eh. Sinisinok ka eh.
Tingin niya.
Oy, oy. Very good yan. Very good.
Wow!
Another
Wow!
pizza.
Ay,
Another pizza.
binubugan na.
Mamaya mag-vitamins ka ulit, ha? Yung candy, ha?
Tuna. Ah, dali. Thank you, Tito Harold.
Hey, Tito Harold.
Thank you for the food.
Ano ba ayaw na nire? Tubig mo.
Mami.
Tita.
Oh, yung
Tita
gusto mo na.
Harold. Tita Harold. Tita
Ano yan?
Harold. Tita
Ay, water.
Harold. Tita-
S.
Ah. Ridiculous.
Look at that. What did you eat? What did you eat, Harvey? What did you eat ba? Pizza? Shrimp?
Without dream.
Pizza and shrimp?
Pizza and dream.
Thank you, Tito Harold.
Thank you, Tita Harold.
Thank you for the...
Fruits.
And... Thank you for the...
Fruits.
Food. Thank you, and thank you for the pizza.
Thank you, pizza.
I love you.
Yeah, yeah. A TV. Thank you, fruit.
Thank you for the food. Thank you, Papa God.
My baby. Baby.
Thank you, Papa God.
Baby. Papa, Dad. Yeah. Baby, Papa. It's raining.
It's raining. Where are you, Harvey? Ayun na. Basahin mo yung malaki na yon. S.
R. S. R.
S and R.
S. R.
Sabihin mo, S and R.
S. R.
Good job. Galing ng baby.
Harvey.
Harvey, S and R.
Ayan na dito.
Ayun na si